How to change the font style and font color of text in your Canva design. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change the size of the text, that is basically the font size, the font style as well, and also the color of the font of the text that you are using in your Canva design. So the first thing that you will need to do is simply open the Canva application in your Windows 11 computer. And once you have opened your Canva application, you will see an interface like this. Now from here, we will be creating a new project so that I could demonstrate it to you. So in order to create a new project, you can click onto this plus icon at the top left, and from here choose the design that you want to create. So for this demonstration, I will be going with this presentation option. So let me click onto this option, and here you can see that we have entered our canvas. Now the next thing that we are going to do in our white space or the canvas is to add a text. So to add a text, you need to click onto this text tab over the left hand side corner, and then click onto this, and from here you can add text. So let's try to add a text box first. So in order to add a text box, simply click onto this add a text box button, and from here you can see that this is the text that we can write in our design. So as here you can see, this is the text right here. And moving on to the customization part, I will show you the first thing, that how you can change the font size or the size of this text. So there are basically a number of methods using which you can achieve this. The first method is that you simply drag this particular white circle over the top left corner of this text box, and the moment you will do this, you can increase or decrease the text size, and it is very convenient, especially if you are not following any strict guidelines in accordance with the text size, and you just want a better visual representation that best suits your eyes. So you can simply use this particular slider to increase or decrease the text size. Now comes another method, where if you want a particular, or let's say a specific text size, so you can do that by using this particular font size option right here. So you can select the text that you want to change. So since this is currently a single line, you can see that I have selected this, and using this plus and minus icon, I can either increase or I can choose to decrease the font size. And if you want a particular number, so let's say if I want to make this particular text to 150, so I can simply place my cursor here and delete this number, and using my keyboard I can type 150 and then click the enter button, and here you can see that the font size has been adjusted to your required number that you have entered here. And now moving on to the font color. In order to change the font color, you can select the text or the specific words for which you want to change the color. So first let me show you how you can change the color of the entire paragraph. So simply select the text box, and you need to click onto this text color button over the top, and from here you can choose any of the color that best suits you. If you want more colors, you can click onto this plus icon, and it will open this gradient tab, and from here you can choose the color that you want. So for example, let's say red. So here you can see that the color of the entire text box has been successfully changed. And now if you want to change the color of any specific word, so you can simply select that particular text for which you want to change the color, and then repeat the same process by going to this color button and then choosing a new color, let's say purple this time. So here you can see that this word has successfully changed its color. And now to the final part, about how you can change the font style. Then to do this, you can see a number of options So one of the option is that you can click onto this option that says font right here. So simply click onto this font option, and from here choose any desired font that you want. So for example, let's say the Horizon font, and here you can see the text is in the Horizon font right here. And now the another method is that you still click onto this font option and then choose the text styles, and from text styles you can make the text either a heading, subheading, or a body. So if I click onto this body option, you can see that the text has really shrunk down since it's a body text. And if I click onto this heading option, you can see that it is now appearing quite large it as if it is a heading. So that's how easily you can change or adjust the font size, font color, and font style as well. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.